Welcome back. My name is Richard. I'm known by the name Jubilantrich. Today we are going to look at sales report. Yes, sales report. As you can see, you can navigate to sales report using the JBR Tech Solution POS just by clicking on the report button here, or if you want, you can go to report by clicking on this, or by coming to files and then click on report. Also, you can use the Shift R, a shortcut, Shift plus R. So Shift R, and we are there. So these are the ways we can go into the sales report page. Alright, so today we'll be looking at two things: sales report and admin. Alright, so let's begin with the sales report. Under the sales report, it gives us a summary for the day, the month, the week, and even the year. So it's kind of broad a little bit, but then after closing your sales, you can just open the report and look at today's sales on the report page. So at the far right corner of the page, you can see today's sales. So today's sales is 1,597, and then the profit margin on it is 81 Ghana cedis. The sold quantity is 126, and debtors, so debtors is 45 Ghana cedis. Alright, we can also look at this right hand side corner, and you can have total sales in all. So this total sales in all displays everything about the sales on the system from whatever year to whatever year. So we have total profit of 720 per the records I've inputted. We have the total quantity sold as 450. We have total sold prices. It's the same as the values we have here. Okay, same as the values we have here. So that is what it stands for. Or as you can see, the same as the values we have here. Okay, so just have a summary of that as well displayed at the report segment or report page. Okay, let's look at this one as well. So now our report uses the time frame or the time of sales to give us a nice graph telling us how our sales graph moves per the time. So we look at the time and then the amount sold. So we can see that in every 1 minute we sell. So 947 was the highest sale, which was around 200 something Ghana cedis, 200 plus, or let's say 210 Ghana cedis that we made. Okay, so it will help you know what particular time do you have more sales. Then let's come to the sales bar graph. Now we have a bar graph which also displays a summary of the sales we do within the days from Monday to Sunday. So on Monday you see that we have about 1,730 Ghana cedis sales we made in the whole every Monday of the software usage, or every Monday for our sales. So it tells us that okay, every Monday we sell more, or in every Monday there are more people or there are more clients trooping in to buy something from our shop. So that means every Monday we have to make available products. So just give you an analytical view or understanding of your sales, of how your sales goes. Okay, so that you can make a better decision. So reports help CEOs and business owners to make right decisions gearing towards what their sales. So this aspect of the sales, the software gives you a summary of your report, not only the monetary aspect, but also telling you about sales within the time frame, sales within the days, sales within the months, and also sales within the year. So when you look at here, we can see view daily graph. So you can view a different version of this line chart in this format. So this is a bar chart, so we can have a look at it in this format. Okay, we also have a view monthly graph. So this one too can give us a monthly graph. So the samples I've inputted into the software, we have the monthly bar chart, which tells us on monthly basis the product that we've been selling. Okay, but looking at this chart, I have not actually used this software to make sales within more than a month. I think it's only 1 month within this month that I've been doing this, so I don't have a clear idea graph showing us month-on-month basis. So but it works when you are able to use the software more than a month. It will actually display month-on-month basis of your sales record, and then we have the yearly basis. So this one is also a bar chart or a bar graph, which also indicates on a yearly basis how your sales went with you, or how your sales was successful. So it will indicate to you which year was most of your best sales. So it will help business owners to make right decisions based on years, and then based on months, and based on days, and based on time. So this actually help us to make analytical decisions to help our businesses. When we look at this place, we have number of customers, so we can also tell how many working customers that we had within a particular within the day, because this talks about the day, or this talks about a day. Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's move into the admin page. We can visit the admin page by clicking on this desk. We can also visit the admin page by just clicking on this. Yeah, so that is fine. We have two ways to go into the admin for user privacies, and then privileges that we've given to our users. We have the accessibility over here, and then here only. Okay, so on the admin page, the software actually filters the people who owe the company, or the people who are this named debtors. Okay, so when looking through, we can see that at the balance column we have negative values. So negative values stand for debtors. So negative value stands for debtors. So when you have a negative balance, it actually means that the person owes you. So the software filters all negative balance and display them on the admin page for easy monitoring, or a brief way to see your debtors. And then with that, you can contact and cross-check on them, letting them come to pay for the services. Alright. We also have a login table here where our admin can do changes with. So when we just click on a row, it will display the login details here where you can do an update, changing the user type, admin, user or / user, and then also changing the password over here. So this is an encoded password. When you clear it, you can give it a name. I gave it a password Java. I also give another password Java to confirm updated successfully. When I come back, I don't see Java, I see different password that means it has been encoded for the purpose of security. Alright, we also have a summary of what is going on in case of debt test. The total debt test that we have is 45.80. Total amounts paid to West within this debt test table, we have 463, and out of that, including, we have a profit of 64.92 margin. So this is what we have over here. We can create a new login page account for a user as an admin just by clicking on create new user, and then we have to fill the details here and register. When there is any changes pertaining to the table, we can just click on refresh table, and it will refreshes everything for you. So it's more part that has been added to the video for you to appreciate what happens at the admin page. I'll use this opportunity to add other few things that are part of this software that would also help our users enjoy this software. Alright, you can see that we have logged in as a developer. So whoever logs in sees his or her name here. We have an help where you can click to a video to watch on our YouTube channel. The tutorial that we have given you on how to use the software, you can click on help and it will take you there. We have a log out link there, we can click on to log out. We have an exit where you can also click to exit the software. We also have minimize, where we can minimize our software and leave the windows blank. Come back and then close the software using this button. Alright, we also have further frequent asked questions about us, and then a logout button also here, which you can use. We also have a setup page where we can set the company details. Alright, so here we go to company name, company first number, second number, location, and then town, and then we update it. When we do this update, it will help us it will help the company to be able to generate receipt with its own name appearing on it. So however ways you want the software to display the name, the telephone number, and the rest, you just can do it by inputting the actual information on the setup page, and you are good to go. It's just as simple as I've just described to you. So this is the end of the tutorial for the POS. We thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel and enjoy more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.